the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 7:30 p.m. PDT. At 4:22 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over Goffs Road and Interstate 40. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Goffs Road, Interstate 40, and possibly Highway 95 near Interstate 40.